follow-up question because I didn't know we were in the information society.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this girls night in champagne glass with a charm. Super easy to make. It takes like less than 5 minutes and it's something super cute if you're having your girls over and you guys want to sip some champagne or sip some wine and you want something different, something cute, and this is perfect because it lets everyone keep track of their own glass. And since it's super easy and super simple and super cheap to make, you could actually give these as keepsakes at the end of the night. And then the next girls' night, they can just bring them with them. So if you think this is cute too and you want to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you what I use to get this look. For this project, I used Twine, Charms, E6000 glue, and a wine flute that I picked up from Dollar Tree. This first step is optional, and that is to line the top portion of the glass with masking tape, and that's just to make sure that you don't start the twine too high on the glass. This is an optional step. If you can eyeball it, by all means do so, but now that I have a guide, I am going to start the twine. What I'm going to do is just spread some E6000 glue going all the way around the glass and just lightly wrap the twine around. So I'm going to get started and show you my progress. This is the progress so far, and I'm going to get really close up because I want you to just see the glue. So the glue is what I'm pulling down and I'm just wrapping the twine around the glass. So I'm going to go a little bit further and show you the progress. So I've reached the portion of the winding where I want to add the charm. And I wanted to point out a couple of things. Number one, I realized that the twine is severely lopsided. It didn't look that lopsided when I was winding it, but now looking at it through the camera, it definitely looks lopsided. And I can probably fix that by adding some twine to the top. But right now I want to show you the charm. So the first thing I did was I unwound a significant portion of twine from the spool, and then I strung the charm on that end and then brought it up to the glass. So now that it's where I want it to be, I'm going to just keep winding but make sure that this stays in place, and that way my charm will hang off the glass exactly how I want it to. So I'm going to keep going and show you my progress and check back in. This is the progress so far. As you can see, the charm is hanging onto the glass on its own. I am going to finish up with the twine and show you the final result. This is the final result, and I really like this. I think this is a perfect, cute little craft that you could make for girls' night in to make sure that each person has their own glass. They could take it with them at the end of the night, and the charms just help you to keep track of whose glass is whose. So as always, thank you so much for just rocking with me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I know my videos are super basic, but hopefully you like the things that I make, and I hope that you make this. This is just such a cute idea. Have a great week, and I will see you next time.